Great separation of area for family and guests. West/open concept living on the main floor featuring a cozy gas fireplace, granite counters in the kitchen, warm hardwoods and white woodwork built-ins. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, all West/hdwd floors, owner's bedroom West/granite counters, DBL shower heads and sinks, private balcony. The daylight bsmt West/exterior entrance, second gas fireplace and full clawfoot tub bath makes the perfect play area. New bullfrog hot tub, all new facets and stainless steel appliances. Carriage house above garage for extra guest space, office, studio, etc. Nantucket styled area provides relaxing atmosphere of yesteryear. West/covered front porches, pocket parks, warm saltwater pool, garages behind homes, and great walkability. The only VR, vacation rental, zone in the city, check West/city for licensing.